So here we need to find out derivative of y with respect to x. It's given that y is cosine of x minus y. Our function y is actually given in a implicit form. We have y equals to cosine of x minus y. Let be equation number 1. We'll take the derivative on both sides with respect to x. So we have derivative of y with respect to x on the left hand side, and on the right hand side we have derivative with respect to x of cosine of x minus y. Now we know that derivative of the cosine function gives us the sine function. So we'll have sine of, since we have x minus y, we'll get sine of x minus y. Now we'll need to multiply it to derivative with respect to x of the argument of the cosine function. This is because we are using the chain rule here. And this finally gives us negative of sine of x minus y times. Now we'll have to take the derivative of x minus y with respect to x. So we have derivative of x with respect to x minus derivative of y with respect to y with respect to x, which will give us negative times sine of x minus y. Derivative of x with respect to x, that's simply 1, minus derivative of y with respect to x. So we will now have derivative of y with respect to x on the left hand side, which will be equals to, so we will multiply negative sine of x minus y with the two terms inside the parentheses to get negative sine of x minus y plus sine of x minus y multiplied to derivative of y with respect to x. So we'll transpose the second term to the left hand side and combine it with dy over dx on the left hand side to get 1 minus of sine of x minus y. So this will be multiplied to derivative of y with respect to x, which will be equals to negative of sine of x minus y, which will be equals to derivative with respect to x of y with respect to x equals to negative sine of x minus y divided by 1 minus sine of x minus y, such that derivative of y with respect to x will be equals to sine of x minus y whole thing divided by sine of x minus y minus 1. So this is the value of derivative of y with respect to x.